Hello, I'm going to take this mask off since no one's in here. I am Mr. Schavrien. I am a special education teacher for the language-based learning program here at Hanson Middle, and I am the 6th grade liaison for the language-based program as well. So I'm going to show you some information for my open house, so all along. All right, so my name is Mr. Schavrien, but the kids call me Mr. S. Since you're a parent and I'm an adult as well, you're welcome to call me Alex. I like to be on a first name basis with parents, so please do. I support grade 6, 7, and 8 for science and grade 6 social studies for the language-based program. I also deliver lessons in strategies class for 6th grade only, and that is for executive functioning and social emotional resilience. Like I said, I'm the liaison for 6th grade, but any parents in 7th and 8th grade are welcome to contact me at any time. So reach out to me, email, phone, however you want to. Just some other stuff too, aside from being a liaison, I do provide those modifications to any assignments, tests, homework, whatever it may be. And I do ensure those accommodations are being provided in class and throughout the school. So how will my room be used? So in room 208, Mrs. Burton, Mrs. Mooney, Mrs. McMullen, and myself will rotate rooms, and we're going to provide instruction while students remain in their home rooms. So 6th grade will remain in my room, which is room 208, and strategies will also be taught during extension in this room as well. The only difference is twice a week, your students will be going into inclusion, social studies, and science for in-person instruction. So twice a week, they won't be in this room for a couple periods, but other than that, they'll be in here, or Mrs. Mooney or Mrs. Burton's room if they're 8th or 7th grade. So some topics just covered in science and social studies. We'll be covering some good stuff in science in all grades. Some good example is like the human body, talking about the circulatory system, for example. We learn about different stuff with electrical circuits, and magnetism. We'll learn about the different earth systems, tectonic plates, the water cycle, and we also discuss a lot about chemical reactions, do some labs in there. We do a lot more than that, but I won't take up all your time covering everything. You're welcome to contact me if you'd like to learn more. In 6th grade social studies, we'll cover everything from early man to ancient American civilizations like the Aztecs and the Mayans. But we'll also cover a lot in between, like Mesopotamia and the Egyptians, North Africa, and so on. Unfortunately, a lot of assignments will be digital this year, so if you think about labs and stuff like that, they're most likely going to be online, but that may not always be the case. So I talked to a lot of you during transition meetings about the language-based program, but I'll rehash that for anyone that doesn't remember it that well. So this program is for students with language-based disabilities and those students who require a structured and individualized language-based approach to their learning. So what we do is we're aiming to increase those academic skills, provide direct, explicit instruction that is multisensory in areas of challenge that's individual, more differentiated for each kid. We provide small group ELA and math, inclusion, social studies, and science, and speech and language services. And the other big class as part of our program is strategies, and that's there to improve executive functioning skills and social emotional resilience. And just again, how to reach me, you can reach out to me at alexander.schavrien@whrsd.org, or you can call the school at 781-618-7575. All right, so thank you for watching my open house video. I look forward to meeting you all. And if you need to reach me, you can reach me at my email address, alexander.schavrien@whrsd.org, and you can reach me at the school at 781-618-7575. Bye.